Hi guys, going to put this one together. Clockwork giraffe. Cost me £1.99 in a charity shop. That's about the sort of price they were brand new anyway. They come flat pack. A clockwork motor. Set of instructions. And should take about 20 minutes if we're lucky. And somewhere in there should be a little pointy thing. That one there. That's the bit you need for pushing all the little holes out. So the pieces are A, B, C and D. So when it says C1, you have to find C1. Yeah, labelled A, B, C, D, and the parts are actually numbered 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a good start, isn't it? So where it says C1, it's actually part 3, number 1. I might just lift the camera up a bit higher. That might give you a slightly better view without my hand getting in the way quite so much. Hopefully. So you have to poke out all the little bits. And sometimes they're not easy to spot. I assume these are laser cut. Okay, I think that's all of them. So that's part C1. We need part C2, which is that one. And they go in with a little bit of a wiggle, and then they go fully home. D1. Oh no, I've jumped a bit. D2. That one. D2. On there. So a little bit of a wiggle. And they go fully home. Nice little click as they go home. A4. A4, that one. Right, that little slot there goes at the back. B3, B3. Which way around does that go? That little slot points to the front. These little bits sticking out are important, so don't accidentally break them off. Now the motor. Somehow or other I keep putting these in the wrong way round, but just Just do what it says. That way round, like that. Now we need D1. Be that piece. Need all the bits poking out again. Another one there. Another one there. Okay, so that's going to go on there like that. Yep. B5. B5, get it right. That one. Again, be careful so you don't break off these little bits. Okay, that's B5. And that piece there is also B5 because they're identical. Okay, that's our two B5s. C6. That's going to be that way around, and that goes up there. D6. That one. Make sure it's pointing the right way again, and that one goes in that way around. Okay, so that's our back legs. Back legs, front legs. Just go on there, and then down like that, and then over there. Like that, over there. And then there's another bit going to slot in from the front. A7. A7. That is going to slot in there. So it holds the motor in place and legs. Okay. So next we need B8. B8. It's going to go in that way around. Now we need C9. Got a hole in it. Just there. C9 and D9. It's got to be that one. Put the hole out again. I think that's everything from there. Yeah. A10. That'll be that piece. And that piece. So that way. And these, again, go on that way and then turn. There's little edges, indentations. They go on like that and then turn like that. One like that, turn like that. A11 next. One, that one. A11 and B11, that was. Right, these are quite fun to get on. They go in. Which way's easiest? They show I'm going on the bottom first, on there first. That bit, and then you've got to get them onto there. I normally put them in the other way around. I'm going to do it this way first. That one on there. And then you've got to bend it quite a bit to actually get it in there. Once it's in, it's happy. Yeah, top end, and then, as I say, quite a significant bend you've got to put in it to get it in there. And that's it, in. And they shouldn't catch. on the front there. It's just clipping. I'll swap them over, see if it makes any difference. No. Right, not much left now. Tail, that bit. Tail. Head. Or neck. And head. And there we are. So those legs are just clipping together. And I have to hold it upright or it just tips over. That's a shame. Well, that'll have to do. That is disappointing. I think it's just so tall and narrow. It just wants to fall over. Yeah, what a shame. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.